Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your VIVO iQOO Neo 7. So first, check your headphones. So test them with another device to make sure that they're working and try to figure out if the issue is with the headphones or the phone itself. So I recommend you guys first restarting the phone. So hold the power button. Now we need to restart it by swiping this little icon here to the right. And now it can fix a lot of minor glitches and issues, including this one. So just wait for your phone to turn back on and I'll see you guys once mine is ready. So after the restart, what you guys can try is check the software updates because it can fix a lot of issues with the connectivity. So go over to the settings. Now we need to scroll all the way down to the bottom until we see system management and upgrade. Now go to system update and here check if you run the latest version of your software. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version, and what you guys can do is update your system if you haven't already. Now what you guys can also do is check for any hardware issues, so I recommend you guys going up to a service center for a checkup, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.